Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I'm going to give you Hisense Fridge Temperature Control guide. So as you can see that currently I'm in the user manual of Hisense, and over here they have mentioned that for the control panel you need to insert the plug of the connection lead into the plug socket with a protective grounding contact. When the refrigerator compartment door is open, the internal lighting is switched on. The temperature selector knob is located on the back side of the refrigerator compartment and it will look something like this. So turning the temperature control to the off position stops the cooling cycle but does not shut off the power of the refrigerator. Setting 1 means higher temperature, warmest setting, setting 7 and stop means lowest temperature and coldest setting. So you can just take a look at this button right here, and you can just adjust the settings accordingly. So here normally we advise you to select a setting of 2, 3 or 4 if you want the temperature higher or lower. Please turn the knob to a warmer or colder setting accordingly. When you turn the knob to a colder setting, this can lead to more energy consumption. Otherwise it would reset the conservation of energy. So you need to just take care of this note as well. High ambient temperature, for example on hot summer days and a cold settings 6 to 7, may cause the compressor to run continuously or even non-stop. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.